this fence down?
There you go.
Actually,
How hard is that? I sit and I get food. How hard is that?
Amazing.
I jump, I don't get anything. I sit, I get food. Oh, I love sitting.
different way.
I love sitting to get food.
Email Jordan.
See all these people walking around doing stuff?
Myself again. I saw your
I don't care. I'm getting cookies. Good dog.
Okay.
Good little boy.
Something in writing. Print out the paper.
Of course you can't hear anything that they're doing. I don't like that jumping. There you go. This for him, it's so all about the food. Good boy.
What's wrong with that?
Nancy, that's what it is. I thought we were leaving this up.
Yeah, we are leaving
Good,
that
we're
one.
leaving this up.
Are we doing stays?
Those are mine. I'm going to put these in the car.